Welcome back my YouTube channel. In the world of coin collecting, few modern coins capture the attention of numismatists and history enthusiasts like the Australian 50-cent coin from 2005 featuring Queen Elizabeth II. This particular coin, though still relatively recent compared to centuries-old collectible pieces, holds a unique place in the realm of Australian currency. It not only represents the nation's evolving monetary system but also serves as a tribute to Australia's ties with the British monarchy and its own distinct national identity. The 50-cent coin has been one of the most iconic denominations in Australia since it was introduced in 1966, the year the country transitioned from the old pounds, shillings, and pence system to the modern decimal system. Initially, the 50-cent coin was produced in silver, but due to rising costs of the metal, it was quickly changed to a more practical alloy. By the time we get to the 2005 issue, the coin was already well established as a regular part of everyday transactions, yet its design and production continue to carry symbolic weight. The 2005 Australian 50-cent coin features the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II on its obverse side, a tradition that has been consistent with nearly all Australian coins since decimalisation. The portrait on this coin was designed by Ian Rank-Broadley, a British sculptor whose image of the Queen was adopted on Australian coinage starting in 1999. This particular portrayal shows the Queen wearing a tiara, and it is noted for its realism and maturity compared to earlier, more youthful depictions. Collectors often remark on the sharp details of this effigy, which makes the coin stand out even more under close inspection. Around the portrait are the words, Elizabeth II, and Australia 2005, clearly indicating the monarch, the country of issue, and the year of minting. Turning to the reverse side, the coin displays one of Australia's most famous national symbols, the Commonwealth coat of arms. This design was first introduced on the 50-cent coin in 1969 and has remained a staple ever since. The coat of arms features a shield in the center, divided into 6 parts, each representing one of the 6 Australian states. Flanking the shield are 2 well-known animals, the kangaroo on one side and the emu on the other, both of which were chosen because they are native to Australia and, symbolically, they are animals that do not walk backward, representing progress. Above the shield rests the 7-pointed Commonwealth star, symbolizing the unity of the states and territories under the Federation. The background design is finished with intricate detail, which has made the coin both durable and visually striking. In terms of physical specifications, the 2005 Australian 50-cent coin is a large, 12-sided coin, making it easily recognizable by touch alone. It has a diameter of 31.65 mm and weighs 15.55 grams. Unlike many smaller denomination coins made of copper or nickel, this coin is composed of cupronickel, an alloy of copper and nickel, which gives it a silver-like appearance without the cost of pure silver. Its unusual shape, combined with its relatively large size, has made it a favorite among collectors and casual observers alike. When it comes to mintage and circulation, the 2005 issue was produced in large numbers for everyday use, so it is not considered rare in the same way that limited commemorative coins are. However, its value in today's collector market depends on several factors: condition, rarity of variations, and overall demand. Most circulated examples of the coin are worth their face value of 50 cents, but uncirculated or proof versions can command higher prices. For instance, coins preserved in pristine, mint state condition can be valued at a few dollars, while special collector sets issued by the Royal Australian Mint in 2005 can be worth significantly more. These sets were often struck with higher quality finishes and packaged for collectors, making them desirable among numismatists. Beyond the monetary value, the coin also carries historical and cultural importance. 2005 marked a period when Australia continued to balance its traditions with modernization. The presence of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side reflects Australia's constitutional monarchy and its ties to the British Crown, while the coat of arms on the reverse emphasizes Australia's sovereignty and identity as a nation. This dual symbolism is part of what makes Australian coins fascinating. They tell a story of heritage and national pride while also being functional tools of commerce. For collectors and enthusiasts, the 2005 50-cent coin offers a number of interesting talking points. Firstly, the Ian Rank-Broadley portrait of the Queen is one of the most recognizable in recent decades and is often preferred for its lifelike qualities. Secondly, the coin's distinctive 12-sided shape sets it apart from many world coins, making it an immediately recognizable piece in any collection. Thirdly, while not excessively rare, the coin is a great example of how modern circulation coins can still be valuable to collectors, especially when preserved in top condition. Another aspect to consider is the role of the 50-cent coin in daily life. Because of its large size and weight, many Australians actually find it cumbersome to carry in large quantities. Despite this, it remains an important denomination, often used in vending machines, public transport, and day-to-day transactions. Its continued presence is a reminder of the balance between practicality and national symbolism in coin design. From an investment perspective, the 2005 50-cent coin may not immediately appear as a high-value collectible compared to rare gold or silver issues. However, coins like these often grow in significance over time. As years pass and high-quality examples become scarcer due to wear and circulation, even common circulation coins can develop collector premiums. Enthusiasts who set aside uncirculated coins in 2005 are already finding that these pieces are more desirable today than they were at the time of issue. In conclusion, the Australian 50-cent coin from 2005 featuring Queen Elizabeth II is more than just a piece of pocket change. It is a symbol of national identity, a continuation of a long tradition of coinage, and a tangible connection between Australia's present and its historical roots. Its striking design, large and unique shape, and cultural significance make it a standout among modern coins. While its collector value today may not be extraordinary, its importance in telling the story of Australia's currency and heritage cannot be overstated. For coin collectors, historians, and everyday Australians, the 2005 50-cent coin remains a fascinating piece worthy of appreciation and preservation.